Ready for plan B?
You really think you can get close enough without getting caught?
I gotta get the guards to take the bait first.
Yeah, but what if Aslan and his boys go down the tunnel?
Then we're fucked.
We'll have to abort. I'm not blowing up anything with people down there.
So plan B has to work.
There's no plan C. Set?
You're clear. Go.
You expecting someone?
Probably a coyote. Go check it out.
They coming?
They took the bait, hook, line, and sinker.
It's nothing.
Maybe it was a coyote.
Copy that. Let's get the stuff downstairs, yeah, guys? Tell me the pipeline's down.
You got 90 minutes.
Nice. All right, let's do this.
Shit, intruder!
Coming your way now.
Hold it right there.
A little bit closer.
I said stop, pal. You understand English? Fucking stop.
A little bit closer.
Private property, asshole. Get the fuck out of here.
You got it?
Got it. Here comes the hammer.
Wrong place, wrong time.
That'd be you. Boom.
What'd you say?
Damn, yo. Bosch, talk to me, you good?
Something like that.